I'm Dr. Jared Bonaquisti with Kinetic Physical Therapy, and ever since the pandemic, more people have been working at home and having their own home set up there. So one thing that we wanted to go through today is either whether you're returning to the office or you just need a new home setup, how everything should be placed so that you can be in the correct position to prevent any sort of neck, back, or shoulder pain. So the first thing that we always need to look at is where your laptop or where your keyboard actually is. In a lot of cases, we actually have the keyboard or the laptop off of the edge of the table there, and that tends to make us stretch out a little bit more than we need to. So when you're at home, you want to make sure that you pull your laptop in close enough to you or your keyboard in towards you so that you can have your elbows in at your side and your shoulders can be relaxed while you're typing. The next thing that you want to look at is where your mouse is in terms of on the table. As we work and as we get involved in what we're doing, our arm and the mouse start to sink out and away from us. And if you think about doing this all day long, moving the mouse at an extended position, your shoulder's doing a lot of work just to maintain this arm position here. We'll see a lot of people come in with shoulder pain, rotator cuff pain, bicep tendonitis, that all they really need to correct is this position here. So when we placement of the mouse should be right next to the laptop, same position, elbow in at the side, so that you can rotate from your typing to your mouse without having to stretch out for it.